A challenging part of any major resource or industrial operation is the requirement to shut down facilities for maintenance. This can cost companies both in terms of time offline and in extra resources. In shutdown scheduling, planners spend days, even weeks, manually building a schedule in Microsoft Project or similar software. This method is time-consuming and inflexible. There is a significant need for an automated system that can generate the best schedules in a rapid time. The team at Curtin has developed a new technology using advanced mathematical programming techniques to achieve this. Their optimization engine incorporates various features such as precedence constraints, personnel and resource limits and types, and activity time windows. Their algorithms can create optimized schedules with thousands of activities in seconds or minutes, and have consistently showed better results than manual scheduling, both in terms of shutdown duration and personnel required. Early site trials have been successful, and a pilot trial with a major local resources company is about to commence. The team are now seeking industry partners and users to trial the product and bring it towards a full commercial release.